In today's lesson, we delve into the nuances of low kicks, a fundamental technique in striking sports such as Muay Thai and kickboxing. Low kicks are not only effective due to their speed and power, but also because of their ability to disrupt an opponent's rhythm. Understanding when to apply a low kick and how to defend against one is crucial for any fighter aiming to enhance their skill set. Firstly, recognizing the optimal moments to execute a low kick is essential. One advantageous moment occurs when an opponent has just landed on their feet after a strike. This brief moment of vulnerability presents an excellent opportunity to deliver a low kick, ideally causing them to step back or destabilizing their stance. Defending against low kicks is equally important. One effective method is to quickly retreat and counter with a kick of your own, creating distance and exploiting the openings left by your opponent. Alternatively, blocking the incoming kick with the knee can protect against damage while allowing for a responsive counterstrike. Lastly, an early attack technique can thwart an opponent's low kick by delivering a quick strike, such as a trip or punch, before their kick makes contact. Mastering these concepts will not only enhance a fighter's offensive strategies, but also bolster their defensive capabilities in the ring.